Never run if you see?
Alright, like that.
Mama will look cute in pose.
Come here.
Ah! That's killer. This is how I'm killing. This is how I'm killing. Valentines, everybody. We have a son, we have a good body son also. Right about now, the people, the man left me. The people, the man left my people. Right true. So my son there come for mommy. Aww. This is my son. Right there, so people. So anyways, morning, autumn bean. How are you guys? People, I just wake up and carry that one, eh? Go peeping. Peeping? I see. That's my son right there, you know. He knows how to pee, he knows how to shit. Like, when they say peeping, and if you want peeping, breathe. When they say doodle, and you want doodle, breathe. Jim, foot broken? Because in the ear. You know him never want to do that, so right about now, we are going to look for the people in man. The true son? Son? Shebu! Alright, we're going to look for the people in man right now, so come. Happy Valentine's, people man. How we are text? As my turn my back, I think
people man.
How dare you do that, motherfucker? How dare you do that?
I'm texting now, my side chicks and telling them happy Valentine's.
So, mommy, you're not going to find me first.
Yeah,
we are the first side chick.
Yeah,
I can't do this.
Yeah.
But by the way, can you believe that the dirty boy never beard?
Abbi, no say she was a cool.
The dirty boy not beard, baby, eh?
I don't think I'm not always be the night time, but me and I argued last night, so now be.
Yeah, but don't bring me on this. Don't bring me on this.
It's me one.
So guys, make sure to enjoy yourself today, you know. Make sure to enjoy yourself today. I'm not busy for people, man, like myself, yeah. And people, woman, not gonna take on so. And you know, say, I sort of go sometimes, we have to share, cause look here. When time I understand my role, say, me is not a wife, but say, alright then, nothing wrong. Young girls, don't be a Abbi. Abbi is a skighead. Abbi is a yamed. Don't be like a Abbi, yeah. Say anything when me attack now, don't be like me. I don't have nothing about me. Right, so do the opposite. If me want to be a yamed today, don't be a yamed. No, I say go. Guys, make sure to enjoy yourself today. We are going to try to make that vlog as little as possible, even though we have enough things so that we never get. Watch out. My teeth in brush shape, my face now wash shape. Right, but you know that's how I have to start the vlog. No, my son, no, my son, no. So I have to run the vlog right there, so guys, I'm going to pull out the area because, you know, I try to be one hot girl and, you know, I'm in this too long and I don't know how I'm doing, you know, but I'm going to take all this, plus I cannot sleep good at night time. Let me earn my head, like, oh my God, so just stay tuned. People want to talk truth, no? Want to talk truth. We got up above us, sit down on them thrones, love. Look how good girl ear grew. No talk to me, just have to make a snap a while ago. No sir, watch ya. Oh my God. Achoo!
Guys, I'm telling you a thing now. Right now, I have to share a gift for Abbi. I want you to take note. Don't be like me. Don't wait till the day to go buy nothing. You know what, while I go, I say one gift for my like, guys. And you want to say, take the and say, yo, why not this to the woman and try to tell me when them put it back down, you know, guys. And same time, this man the day. The man take it up and say, yo, I eat him one. I say, bomba. This is because I never just buy at the same time. So right now, the woman I make another one for me, especially is to make a, because I be picky and somebody. So anything she do for her, that's unique and rare. But, I whip on her now, because she's in a store, and she'll make one for me. I just get the bag a while ago, feature. I'm not sure what they still, but I'm apple tree with them, I just buy it in apple tree. So now I go up a yard and if I know me I get her, but no, I'm not get her until I fix up on everything. Boy, I don't know if she give nothing still, but she have a style, she always have something for me. So hopefully this time she have something for me again. But if not, I'm not feeling away about it, isn't it? People will switch back on the after the road, people will switch back. So see that now? Abbi give me soup. She had up soup from last night, guys, and she give me some soup. So I drink soup right now. Just on her body, so she's right here.
Yo, stop with that jump, bro.
Oh, okay. People, Abbi they both from me. Oh, she have good ear now, and them sitting there, you know, people. Take out her braid and her ear extra tall like Rapunzel, you know, guys. I tell you. So right now, I bought some gas, and then I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're not gonna do and not see everything we do. So now we're on yourself.
Alright, guys, so as I say, we're gonna do our ear, and keep our iron, you know, keep our iron, which you're not gonna see that clip there. So we're just gonna we call it time lapse everything and show. No, yeah, go for showing the local process and so, you know, so just stay tuned. So guys, a good girl here, good girl kind of, yeah, finally done. But guys, remember, you know, this is my first attempt actually doing this shit. So if you look away, which kept said, alright, but I have a long way to go, which you know, say, I say, no really look good, and so. It's how it look like.
Yeah, it look good, but you know.
Oh my god, like, I even tried to do the baby ear, I plucked, my, what you call this, I put phone there, everything, I must put on YouTube, because YouTube, I watch and so, you know. But you know, and every time good girl I have money, I broke bad. But now this quarantine time, no sir, good girl I have to learn to do certain things for yourself. No, yes I look peel out though, but it no peel out. It looks up on this, but it no looks up on that. Anyway guys, good girl I gonna say we keep put it that though, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, the place dark up right through. But just I go put on pot pan fire. That's true. I kept a fire, then people I kept fire. Well, I'm not even a good girl. That's a good girl. Right, sir.
Right now we're gonna steam fish, guys. So we have the parrotfish here, so I don't know, like your corn, your okra, without okra steam fish and no steam fish. Your carrot, tomato on your time, your onion and your people, pepper half in your steam fish. And then this now, don't know your pumpkin, your sweet potato, your Irish potato, your scallion.
My friend. The flashlight. Yeah, me. I won't shine light in that.
That's what we're face it. I think I took off all ago. So guys, we're gonna open to the fish then, people. May I tell you, that was so nice. May I tell you guys. See the guys? We have the lobster here, so look over here, so steam fish, so everybody, hey, people, the lobster fish on the, hey, you never want to talk too much, cause it's nice, people, it's nice. Hey, look on the pot. Oh, and the rice already done, which, I'm going to eat the rice too.
Onto the potato.
Oh, the potato, them lock off, so they're ready to come out now, Abbi, and of course, a long time my boy find out.
Alright guys, so good girl take picture in the larger way. What the people that man gear? Yes, the people that man bought me a lingerie. Right there. I don't know, I can't really show no one because on YouTube this. I don't want them come flag my video. None of that. But guys, if you don't want to see the picture of them, make sure you follow me on Instagram down below. Abbi Actors and so. What you good girl? Yeah. Wait, good girl. Yeah, girl. Cock it up, girl. I'm full of fantasy. La chief has told her, I'm full of fantasy, people. No, sir. So, guys, right about now, I'm going to take the two pictures of them and we're going to eat. Like, hungry man. Stay tuned.
Just don't take a barrage of pictures. So go over to Instagram right now and go follow our page. Abbi_Capo.
People, good girl up here, because I'm sorry I can't show up on YouTube. I don't know a good girl to show up her body like that on YouTube.
People know how to check out the picture of them. They're hot. Oh, we put a video today and I tell them about the picture of them. So they might come out now.
Because the dirty boy I'm the outfit. I'm telling them, I'm not telling you, you know, yeah. Right, you.
So them the Sheena right now. She never going to see. Yo, she looks good. I tell them. So go over to Instagram, Abbi_Capo. Go over to Abbi Actors to check out your picture there.
Yeah.
I don't know, I am cappuccino on the gram. You see it? Right now, people, we're going to do Abbi.
We're going to share food and...
Alright, like that.
Mama, will look cute in pose.
Thumbnail.
Pose like Capo.
I don't know.
Pose again.
Model style.
Pose again. Capo, you don't look like you look like a wash it. Pose again. Yeah.
Yeah, come back. That's your idea.
Beautiful on
I
Valentine.
can't show the butt because it's so fucking short. Hi, Seven!
Seven recognize her people. She has one. So now, hey Seven, lower alone, man.
Seven!
Yeah, I'm dog, man. Alright, Abby. So now, make your way to your seat.
So guys, right about now, it's all about good girl also. I'm gonna go up a little table next to a little section, show them. Yeah guys, so right about now we're gonna share the food because we're hungry. Man, I like that we're hungry bad. Yeah, share the food and everything and then soon back.
Hey, stop!
That's clear, put him back in our cage. Alright guys, so we're just gonna share, we're prepare the table and then we're gonna go back and sit down. Yeah. Alright?
Yeah.
Finally share the food. Right there, so there's a couple plate over here, so crab, mashed potato, fish, but I don't care really see, because you know cap one of the pot. Yes, the cap mashed potato there, so what juice here, so we look at wine here, you know, we have a shot over here, so yeah, my section over here.
So guys, we're hungry.
Right you.
Right now, we're fed up right now. We have so much wonderful food right there, so God provide wonderful food for it.
Yeah.
I need to eat it, you know why? I'm hungry.
Right you.
Valentine's night. Yeah, we are celebrating.
Yeah,
you know already.
we didn't have to leave our home. Yeah, you know, Corona go on right now.
Yeah, so just stay home.
Still want to cook and act like somebody at a restaurant. Do not see
Yeah,
that
that's
too.
good. Wonderful.
So we have to start with my... Oh.
Good girl. For what we are about to receive, we give you thanks to that. Amen. Let's go. So people, I taste Abbi cooking. Hold on, let me Abbi cook this. What Abbi cooking that plate?
Yes, I'm asking
I think Abbi, what you call this?
Guys, I was on the camera for you.
So I'm going to eat Abbi mashed potato.
Good girl, thank
Why not, Abbi? Why not? Tell me.
Enough things. Tell the people them. Tell the people them now.
Yo.
Yeah.
Bad, you know what I mean?
I know, right you.
People me not girl, not because you know I'm a girlfriend and thing, but it's bad.
Bad right you.
It's a hot and a wife.
Now go taste seven.
Seven. Best to taste seven.
Now go taste cap of fish for him cook.
Where you burn up? It's good.
I forgot the bone in the fish.
I mean, a date.
It tastes dry.
Yeah.
It's dry, the water gravy.
You know why already, people?
Why?
Come in the bathroom, they look up a pot and look up a pot for me.
I know that.
What then? People me tell her to look up a pot for me and she don't do it. I'm sorry, so they can't get none, but hopefully we had a dinner tonight.
We never have left for house. The tongue is so refreshing.
I better give it better than cooking still. One time, she go to cooking now, guys. We'll put it now.
Alright guys, so we have to the work. We have finished eating, so because we have to take our time and eat roast of fish and good girl and fish stuck at short. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned, people. Stay tuned. Love you now.
So guys, we just gonna eat and just scratch the tail. Belly balls, right you born so my belly fall over in my lap. No! And I'm act like me I think for the gram. Open and enjoy and look at some here. As a girl, we try our best to actually put out a little content. So even though we're not gonna got to keep our gun! You're the present!
No.
Yes, you're the present! You're the present! Hey, I saw that bag of me. The blood.
So guys, I get a look at what you call it now, Valentine's Day gift right now. Even though good girl not give me nothing. I give her something because she, you know, she loyal, you know me say, yeah.
You don't know about me. I'm tell me something over now. You don't
Once upon a
believe
time
me.
not long ago, she was a oh, but she ain't no more. So guys, I get her a gift right now.
I'm gonna fly this.
Seven, tap it nice man. So there you know.
Yeah. Okay, over here now. Yeah.
This was so big.
Yeah. So that's your Valentine's Day gift.
Thank you
So guys, she cost me, well, it's never cost, but she does know when I get do one, you know. Yeah, no?
Because last year I never given a Valentine's gift. I'm all told like a Gino, but I understand the
My next
struggle.
have a juice.
But this year I'm never gonna make it fast.
Yeah guys, so I'm gonna buy her that. You know see already and this is a woman pack it up for me and something. Yeah. I have a true the thing did there.
Thank you so much, Dirty Camel. People man.
Yeah.
Let you, people man, let you. People, as I can say, like, I'm going to wind up about food about Jesus Christ.
Bad idea.
Really got the end and say, busting a good girl head.
So you want to go on now people. Abby,
Eh?
you go to bed.
Yeah, I'm going to bed, right you, sleep.
Yes. So guys, we don't enjoy the video because we enjoy our Valentine's Day.
Guys, I hope you
Last
enjoy
night.
it because we don't know if we do not much in there. But we try for about, you know, time catch up on where everything, so hopefully, you know,
It's good enough for
it's good enough for you guys.
So,
Yeah. Until then!
AC gang is. Hey, nobody
Yeah,
with that
girl. Watch ya.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, girl.
Stop
People
that.
must
Hey,
still
that
can't
right
believe, say, good girl lay her
So when I
head
take it
down. I don't, yo, move your hand on my youth.
When I think
What's
it
wrong with you?
You know. You when I think it
Come on, be in my youth.
She fast enough. Alright guys, so don't let it go.
Hey, see, guys.
Oh!
My blood clot. Don't do that. Go. Hey, see, guys.
Oh!
Bye. Come on, stop doing that, my youth.
Aye.
Not a fun now.
Oh, she fast now man, you know what I said?